Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add any theme on your Shopify store. So like adding theme or publish theme is the difference. So you can add many theme, but if you want to publish, you can publish only one. So like how can you do it? So you can see the online store, the right hand side on your screen. Simply click online store and then theme. Then you can see theme library. I already added to theme right and done. It's a free theme, so my current theme is done. Then if you want to add, simply click add theme and visit theme store. All the theme is available here. All theme, you will get free theme and paid theme here. If you want to get paid theme, so simply check mark here, then you will see the paid theme, all paid theme here. If you want to check the free theme, then click the free, then you'll get the free theme here. So like I'm just going to add my free theme. So maybe for example, okay, this one I'm just going to click here and try theme. So I'm trying theme, so adding trade to your online store theme. So you can see it's adding now. So this way you can add theme on your Shopify store. So okay friend, today is normal, and see you in the next video.